Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to unlock a 2022 onwards Lexus NX when the car battery is dead. First, what we need: plastic trim tools, very important, plastic trim tools. Behind this little cover, here is a key entry, and very important, we need to start from this side. We just popping out like this, very little popping out, and then lift up from this way, and we see the keyhole, and then we hold the key, press this button, and the key is come out. Hold the key with the L shade is looking left way, press in, open it, and then we use this little plastic ear where we can open the door. Okay, and then open the bonnet. I will show you how to jump start. If you see the engine bay, you see two relay and fuse box. We need the right side. Just press these two buttons and the third one in the bottom. Okay, open this positive, and what you need to have a look, the positive only one side have a metal plate, so when you put on the battery jump starter positive way, you need to have a look. You need to put the cable side for this way. If you're turning this way like this, is chance you cannot start a car because haven't got any energy. So put this, and the negative one, I normally use this metal screw, or try find some other bigger metal screw on the body. And don't forget, turn on, and the car ready to start. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.